Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be about this guy. We're going to be removing the magnetic clutch of the compressor, and I think it's just gonna be a short video. This is a very easy task. The only difficult part is if it's in the motor, in the engine bay. So it's gonna be quite a tight squeeze, and of course removing the belt is also sometimes a difficult part. Anyways, this is out of the car, so it's gonna be easy. It's just for you to see and maybe be confident later on if you do have a problem with your AC compressor. Signs and symptoms is you turn on your AC and this just spins and this doesn't catch, so it's going to be your magnetic clutch or your magnetic coil or your clutch. And yeah, as long as you have power coming in, and then that confirms that it's either of the two. Okay, let's get on with it. So this is the clutch. This is a 10 mil. These are sometimes tight, so the trick is, if you're lucky you have an impact wrench, then you can use it. If you don't have, then you can use your 10 mil socket and then a screwdriver. So you put it here and then go somewhere where you can pry on, and then just pry it open, just like that. Okay, this should just pop out like so, and if it's tight, then you can just use two flat screwdriver and pry it from the sides. So you just have to pry it simultaneously, so it will not be, leaning towards one side where it will make it more difficult. And this is your clutch. This is still good. You see there's still some material in it. And then this would be your pulley, clutch pulley, where you will use and it's off. So remember, if you're going to be working on this, wear your safety goggles, because this can fly and hit you in the eye. So it was just like, this is putting it back and this is getting it off. And this part is sometimes stuck. So again, if it's stuck, pry it from the sides. Well, it's not stuck. There you go. So there's the bearing, if you can hear. Yep, that's bad. And then this is now your magnetic coil. If you can see, it's burnt. So this is the problem of the car. So it's not um, activating the coil. Because what happens is, this is your pulley, which is constantly spinning with engine RPM, and then this is your clutch. So while the engine is running, this is spinning, and then this is free. Now once you activate the magnetic coil, then this will attach to the pulley, and then it will drive with the pulley. So now that here the coil is bad, then it's not pulling this towards the pulley. So the only thing have to be done is to replace this. So to remove this, it's just these screws. These are 3 screws. Now you do this just to jolt the screws so it will be easier to remove. It's just a light tap. Sometimes these are not mounted with screws, they are also mounted with C-clips, so it depends on what car it is. And that's it. This is off. So we're just gonna be waiting for the parts, and then we're gonna put it back in. It's just the same process in the reverse order. So put this in. There's going to be a guide like this, which will fall onto here. So these are idiot proof, so don't worry about it. You'll definitely find how and where to put it, and then bolt it on, clutch, and pulley, and then clutch, and that's it. So here's the problem. In this country, if you have a bad coil, magnetic coil, or a bad clutch, it's not available. You have to buy the whole compressor. I know it's crazy, but it is like that here. So coils, we order it online and then wait for it to arrive. So yeah, so that's Disassembly. These are other clutches. I think this is for, I don't remember, Lexus, I think. So this is mounted with a C-clip. So there's no holes. There's a hole, but that's for a guide. See? And this is the pulley, which will not fit because it is also for a Lexus. This is clutch for the same car. Oh no, not this is not a Lexus. This is an Altima. So that's it. Hope you like it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.